New day, new task. Today it was myself, Juhi and Tanisha. We had to compete with each other.
So when we got to the task location, we could only see Chef Shagun and Chef Anayata standing there. There wasn't Chef Ranveer. And he was quite upset with us last evening after the cook because we didn't give our best. And I think that disappointment possibly got to him, and I was quite afraid that he's not here with us today.
Ladies, welcome back.
It's a huge day today for all of us, for all of you. Let's make it our best.
So today's task is extremely simple.
Simple is never simple. As simple as it gets is when it gets difficult to compete for it. I think it will be incredibly difficult to reach where we need to.
Our conversations yesterday was for your good. We are here to make you better. And in the endeavor to make you better, we've designed a special task for you. This is your task that will give two of you tickets to the grand finale. Today, all three of you have the same task.
Okay, this is going to be tough because we all have our strengths and weaknesses, and it was going to be quite a battle.
You have to make this dish lying in front of you just as you see it, sense it, taste it. What you have in front of you is a stuffed roasted mackerel with a watermelon sashimi and a Vietnamese spring roll. You have 60 minutes to make this and serve it to us.
I was a little taken aback because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to do this. It was fish again.
Please come forward, get your notebooks out, and taste the dish. Now, let me break down the elements for you. The watermelon is marinated in apple juice, sesame oil, salt.
How does one make a watermelon sashimi? I've never, ever heard of that.
What you see here is a black yam guacamole mixed with activated edible charcoal, cilantro béarnaise, and coriander puree mixed in towards the end. The rice paper roll that you see, it is a calamari, pineapple, and a sweet potato rice paper roll with a fresh passion fruit dressing. That's it. There are two more elements. The mackerel, and it's been stuffed with a Dijon mustard, sun-dried tomato pesto that's made with pine nuts and almonds. Some edible flowers, some fresh herbs, a prawn cracker on the side, which is topped with a sweet potato lemon pickle mash. Are we clear? 3 primary elements, 3 ancillary elements. Any questions, please feel free to ask.
Just wanted to ask again the marinade for the watermelon.
Watermelon is ginger, apple juice, sesame oil.
So it was all so many elements, and so little time to get the dish right, beautifully plated.
It had so many elements, from fish to squid, the different types of the dips that he had made. So I was really, really scared at that point.